Okay, let's unpack the path of least resistance. We're doing a deep dive today on the practical side of actually getting the DVDO Air R4K wireless HD adapter. For pros or high-end home setups, finding the gear isn't always the issue. It's getting it fast and knowing the support's, well, rock solid.
Exactly. That's the mission here. We want to quickly synthesize the core details, where to buy it, the cost, what kind of support comes with it. Reliability and speed are key. And what really jumped out from the sources was a vendor, HDTV Supply. They're specifically noted as partnering directly with DVDO.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and that direct manufacturer link, it basically cuts out the whole gray market risk,
Right.
which for specialized AV gear like this can be a huge headache later on. Think firmware troubleshooting.
Right, you want that official channel. So that partnership is really the backdrop. But let's get down to brass tacks for someone looking to buy. We found the specific listing, right? The DVDO Air 4K wireless HD adapter. Part number is DVDO Air 4K.
Correct. And importantly, it's listed as new.
Condition, new, okay. And the price?
The price is exactly $399 on.
$399.
Yeah, and it's interesting how that price point kind of sits in the market. For high-def wireless, $399, especially with official support, it signals premium certainty.
Yeah.
You might find cheaper stuff out there, sure, generic things, maybe unsupported. But here, you've got free shipping baked in.
Right.
And, probably more important, that guaranteed DVDO factory warranty. That's part of the package.
That warranty is crucial, isn't it? Access to the right parts, software updates down the line.
Absolutely. It can be the difference between a small hiccup and total system failure. Downtime costs money.
So support's covered. What about speed? Getting it quickly. Project deadlines are always tight. The listing uses that phrase, usually ships the same business day. Sounds great, but usually. How reliable is that in practice for this kind of equipment?
Well, that's where you need to look a bit closer. The vendor itself, HDTV Supply, seems solid. The sources called it let me see, exceptional top quality store rated by Google Shopping.
Okay, so that builds some confidence.
It does. But for a project manager who absolutely needs it tomorrow, that word usually is, well, it's a slight hedge, isn't it? It suggests it's very likely, fast, high probability, but maybe not 100% locked-in guarantee for that exact same day.
So you're trading maybe a tiny bit of uncertainty on the immediate ship date.
For absolute certainty on the long-term factory support. Exactly.
That's a key trade-off. So summarizing, you get an officially backed product, fixed price, direct partnership, factory warranty, minimizes long-term headaches. The fulfillment seems fast, likely same day, but the core value is really that official backing, that confidence.
Which brings up maybe a provocative thought for you, the listener. Think about it. Sourcing specialized AV stuff often means long lead times, right? Hunting for vendors. But here you have this specific combo. The direct factory link for sales and support, plus that promise of very fast, potentially same-day shipping. So the question is, how does this particular mix of speed and long-term official assurance change how you normally approach things, like managing project risk or even budgeting for support after the install? It's something to chew on.